Menteri Rangpa Ukonrat ki Sangma, ulapan bena ha kajanmit arpu pra Tarik Naiwieng, baka Sorkar kan sepelat no ye ki post matric scholarship installment Naduh ka arpu kendai Tarik Naiwieng. Ulo ongrup kan cimpor tang hapok lai sengi begini ki scholarship kendrung ha ki bank account jangki kena skul. Menteri Rangpa ulo ong da kini kejinglek jang ke Sorkar ki Samla puli ken lait ne kejingling a jangki.
Hi friends, I just wanted to give you the good news. Tomorrow, 29th of November, I will be releasing the second installment of the post-matric scholarship. After that, it will take 2 to maximum 3 working days for it to reflect in the student's account. But as promised to all of you, that this year I will take special care and ensure that your scholarship amount is released before Christmas. And hence, I'm doing that, and I'm sure that this will help our student community to a large and a great extent. I wish you all the very best for your future. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.